In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to remove sound from videos on iPhone. This is essential for privacy, professionalism, and creative flexibility. It eliminates unwanted background noise or private conversations, ensuring the video focuses solely on visuals. To do this, simply head to your phone photos. You want to select the video you want to turn off its sound. Tap onto the edit icon. Then simply tap onto this volume icon to turn off sound. Select Done to save changes. Muting a video allows you to replace the original audio with music, narration, or other sounds that better fit your creative vision. Well, that's how easy it is to turn off sound from videos on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.